Hi, I'm John,
And I'm Daphne.
and welcome to Breathe Video Part 3.
Today we're going to talk about the things we learned in our first two parts. Part 1, we talked about how to breathe in.
Like this.
In Part 2, we discussed breathing out.
Like this.
Today, we're going to put them both together.
Together, you're crazy!
I might be crazy, but I think you can do it.
Let me try.
That was perfect, John. I did not think that was going to happen on your first try.
I'm a natural, what can I say?
Let's see some other people do it.
Inhale and exhale. What? That was a 7. Have you ever seen such fine breathers in your life?
I have not.
Neither have I. Well, thanks for joining us. I hope you learned how to breathe properly. Until next time, I'm John.
And I'm Daphne.